Focke-Wulf 190 was a German fighter aircraft developed during World War II. It first took to the skies in 1939 and quickly gained a reputation for its remarkable performance and deadly capabilities. The Focke-Wulf 190 was renowned for its impressive speed and agility, making it a formidable opponent in aerial combat. It could reach a top speed of over 400 miles per hour or 640 kilometers per hour and possess exceptional maneuverability, allowing it to outmaneuver and engage enemy aircraft effectively.